Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2079 for the 2019 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, May 14th, 2020. It's 11:14 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:14 p.m. Central Time, and 8:14 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Triple B Sack with 2 spots, Jordan 2, Clay 2, Laddie Cards 1, Phil 10, Detour 4, CBD Cards 6, Chris Sand with 3 spots. We are going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. Triple B, you're on top. Chris Sand on the bottom. Once. Twice. 3 times. 4. 5. 6. And lucky number 7 has Clay on top. Bill on the bottom. Clay, you have the Diamondbacks, Chris Sand Braves, Clay with the Orioles, Phil Red Sox, Cubs, Laddie Cards White Sox, Detour Reds, Phil Indians, CBD Cards Rockies, Detour with the Tigers, Phil Astros, Royals, Angels, Dodgers has CBD Cards, Phil with the Marlins, CBD Cards Brewers, Phil Twins, Jordan Mets, Chris Sand Yankees, CBD Cards Athletics, Chris Sand Phillies, Phil Pirates, Triple B with the Padres, Detour Giants, CBD Cards Mariners, Triple B Cardinals, Jordan with the Rays, CBD Cards Rangers, Detour Blue Jays, and Phil with the Washington Nationals. That's a good excuse. We'll take it. I'll allow it. All right. Good luck, guys. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Empty. And we have 4 of 31 New York Yankees Jimmy Key. Jimmy Key auto. Got the picture mid-pitch. So his arm is about to snap off. Jimmy Key. That is a clean looking auto. Clear as day. Jimmy Key, 4 of 31. 1994 Jimmy Key. And that is the New York Yankees. Congrats, Yankees. Let's see who has the New York Yankees. New York Yankees. Chris Sand -8238 is the New York Yankees. Congrats. On break 2079 for the 2019 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Player Autograph Edition. We want to thank each and every one of you for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. Be on the lookout for that video for the football helmet giveaway. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p-sportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the final spot in bonus 61, and then we will have bonus 61. Thanks.